This is the computer room, craft room and art room. I'll give you a quick tour. All these boxes here are mainly of when I used to do various craft projects, and one day I'll get round to actually going through them all and sorting them out. Maybe that would make a good video in itself. Anyway, it's all different things here. These are different boards I use to work on, tape my art paper to. This used to be used as an inspiration board. Down here, that big box at the bottom, it's hard to see, isn't it, without the light, that's full of jewellery making supplies. Then in those two folders there is the art I've been making these last 2 years. Then there's all these boxes along here full of papers and art materials. Then this shelf is my watercolour paper and various papers used for my art making. Some canvases I think there as well. Then up here, these are all boxes of supplies. And down in the corner, well, you can't see around that corner very well, are my sewing machines. And then we've got more storage boxes. Up here, those curtains I made when my son was born, and they used to be in his bedroom, but they're just temporarily up at that window now. Then if we scan around here, this is my desk, but I don't generally use it to do any painting out. I use the dining room table downstairs. And here's a couple of pieces of art in progress, the ones I showed in my most recent video. Then up here are various tools and tapes and things like that. And here we have this the old desktop computer, because I don't have a laptop or anything like that. I'm using this old desktop computer, and that's where I do most of my replies to people on YouTube, etc. And then over here there's more storage boxes. And then let me just move this chair out of the way. Oh, here's just a art bag, and in this bag is where I'm making another rug inside that one. And here on the back of the door is this great big long cupboard, and inside the cupboard we have yet more craft making supplies all the way, and all these drawers here and ribbons. And actually it all needs sorting out at some stage, but I can never really muster up the enthusiasm to do it. So anyway, that was a brief look around my art space.